2.5 years ago, a 14-year-old girl, Arushi Talwar, was murdered in the home of her parents, her throat slit. It was a case that shocked the nation, a case which came to define inept policing and a completely bungled process of investigation. Suspicion for the murder first fell on the servant at Arushi's home, Hemraj, whose body was also subsequently found, and then Hemraj's friends, Krishna, Rajkumar and Vijay Mandal. At the same time, the police arrested Arushi's father, the successful dentist, Dr. Rajesh Talwar. But one by one, no charges could be proved. Finally, when the CBI moved in to investigate, it was perhaps too late. And now the CBI have decided to close the case. But it's up to the court to accept the CBI's closure report. If the report is accepted, then it effectively means that those responsible for this ghastly murder have escaped. It also marks one of the most shocking failures of our criminal justice system.
Sir, but in the last few months, did you have any inkling that the case was reaching a dead end?
No, we didn't. We were still cooperating completely, absolutely. Whatever was asked from us, we've been doing that. And I really don't know why the CBI should behave like this.
Sir,
Why should I not get justice for my daughter? Somebody does this to my child, and this is what I have to bear. I mean, I'm living in this a free country? Is this what I'm supposed to do?
Mr. Talwar, did the CBI get in touch with you before filing this closure?
No, they didn't. I got the news from Aaj Tak. That is, I had no idea at all. I was working on a patient when I got this news, and which I couldn't do anything after that. But this is how I got the news. Nobody told me anything.
Where do you plan to take this case next? Clearly, you are not comfortable with.
नहीं, अभी अब बात करेंगे, जो लॉयर्स हैं हमारे, उनसे बात करेंगे कि क्या कर सकते हैं. और मेरे ख्याल से सब लोग हमारे साथ होने चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर ऐसे किसी के साथ कोई करके और ऐसे फ्री घूम सकता है, तो फिर इस कंट्री में रहना ठीक नहीं है.
So do you think the CBI was left with very little evidence after the UP police in a way goofed up the case?
Yes, that did happen. वो तो हुआ है, वो तो सबको पता है. That has happened.
पर आपको लगता है सीबीआई ने अपनी तरफ से पूरी तरह से मामले की तहकीकात नहीं की?
हम भी सीबीआई को पिछले 1.5 साल से एक टेस्ट कराने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. 1.5 साल हो गया इस बात को, लेकिन हमारे को नहीं पता कि उन्होंने करवाया कि नहीं करवाया. उस टेस्ट से पता चल सकता है. बहुत सारे ओल्ड केसेस उससे सॉल्व हुए हैं. मैंने इतना रिसर्च करके उनको बताया है, तो क्यों नहीं करते ये?
कौन सा टेस्ट और किसका टेस्ट सर?
उस टेस्ट को टच डीएनए बोलते हैं, LCN DNA बोलते हैं. और आप अगर जाके देखें उसके बारे में कि वो क्या है, तो आपको सब पता चल जाएगा. अगर one can get to know कि कौन था वहाँ पे. It is a test that they should do.
Did you tell the CBI about this?
For the last 1.5 years.
I need to disrupt you all. Please.
Sir,
Let me say something. It is very difficult for us. We have been you do it inside or do it. He's my friend. He's everything. He's my brother. But you have created a chaos here. I will not let you
All right, as you can see over there, obviously it's an extremely anxious time for that entire family. It's a very, very difficult time for this entire family, and I think one of the points that was mentioned over there would be particularly shocking, that the CBI didn't tell the parents, did not tell Dr. Rajesh Talwar that they'd actually closed the case. They are going to be filing that closure report. They actually found out from the media that this case has been closed. We're not entirely certain what that gentleman is trying to do over there, since the statements made by Dr. Rajesh Talwar in this terribly, terribly unfortunate case are so very important. As that press conference, or that press briefing as it were, that statement resumes, we'll try and get back to it, but it seems that Dr. Rajesh Talwar has been whisked away.